What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how I've consistently been making over $1,000 a month selling my online course. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. And we're also talking a lot about passive income. So if you're interested, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, consistently making over $1,000 a month selling one online course. I'm going to show you how I did this and my results proving this as well. So let's head on over to Gumroad. Now with Gumroad, this is where I host my course, Printing Profits. If you want to check that out, there's a link in the description below, or you can go to printingprofits.com with no G. So let's just refresh the page so you know I'm not messing with any of the code on here. There we go. So I've made 107 sales. Now some of these are from my free research guides, along with when people were purchasing them as well. But all of this, the main bulk of it, is from selling my online course. Now, why am I showing you these numbers and being quite transparent? Well, that's the goal. With this channel, I want to be really transparent, show you all my income streams, and show you what's possible. Because I'm no one special. I'm not a guru. I don't claim to be a guru. I'm just showing you what I'm doing and what's working for me. And selling an online course is working extremely well. Now when it comes to this, there's a couple of things that you want to do, or the easiest way to go around this. Now when it comes to making money online, I've said this in previous videos as well, the two easiest ways to do this is to create a following and match products for your following, or go to where there's already traffic. So which one have I done with this? Well, I've built a following and now I've created a product, this one, to match my following. That is it. Really, really simple. Now, if I didn't have this following, I could create the course and sell it on Gumroad, not Gumroad, sorry, on Udemy, because they already have the traffic. Remember, the two easiest ways is to build a following or go to where there's already traffic. So to build a following is really easy. You want to create helpful content which is going to help people in your niche, and that's all I've done. So I was doing low content books and documenting it and creating videos around it on my channel, and people were actually asking for the course, so I created it, thus matching a product to my following. And that's how I get sales, because most of my sales come from my YouTube channel. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I always recommend my course at the beginning of every single video. That's how I get the sales. So let's break this down month by month and look at the numbers and how much I'm actually making from selling my Printing Profits course. So let's go to January. We'll do January the 2nd to the 31st. We'll take a look at that. So my first month selling an online course, I made $1,557.89. Now there is a few Gumroad fees, so I didn't actually get all of this in profit, but it was close to that anyway, because they don't really take much of a fee. So that's what I earned in revenue. Profit, probably 1,400 and something, still over that $1,000 mark. So let's go to my second month, which was February. So as you can see, I've only been selling my course around 3 months. So let's go to the 28th. Let's do that. Pretty close numbers again, over $1,492. As you can see, I don't sell my course every single day, but on some days I could have some really good days and sell 3 courses and make $192. So after fees, that would probably be around $160, $170 profit take home in my bank. So that's my second month, close to $1,500 again. And then this month, we're already halfway through the month, so we're not even at the end of the month, and I think this is going to be my best month to date selling the Printing Profits course. So let's take a look at that. Already smashed my first month and my second month, and I've made $1,660.20 with 60 sales. So if we look here, some of my best days again, $196 with 3 sales. And as you can see, I don't actually sell them every single day. But still over $1,000 a month profit from selling one online course is amazing. I couldn't be happier. Now the good thing about my course, it is getting people results. Because if you make a shitty course, then the word's going to get round that it's a load of crap and you're not going to make many sales. I made my course for the newbie, for people so they can get results. And I also help people out. So if you're part of the Stackers Inner Circle or the Printing Profits private Facebook group, because I created a private group specifically for course members, you can ask me questions in there. We also have a private messenger group where you can ask questions and I respond to every single person and I help them out, which you don't actually get with many other courses, specifically courses from people on YouTube. Now, if you haven't already, then come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. This is another private Facebook group specifically just for stackers. It's actually growing quite a lot now. You can see we have over 254 members in here, and you can ask questions in here as well, and I respond to as many as I can. Now the Facebook group is getting slightly bigger. It's getting a little bit harder to respond to every single person, but I'm still doing that. I'm still giving support to people who need it, anyone who has any questions as well, and this is becoming a really great community. So if you want to get around like-minded people, come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. There will be a link in the description down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Well, that being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.